If you provide an engineered or build-to-order product, you know that as you move from initial customer contact to order fulfillment, time, efficiency, and accuracy directly impact your bottom line. Until now, options to improve this process were limiting, from overly simple CPQ systems to complex CAD programs or built-from-scratch custom software. What if you could quickly have the best of all three worlds in one solution? Introducing LightningCAD, the only solution that builds your business knowledge into an intuitive design platform, enabling dynamic user-guided design delivered over a browser with instant access to the outputs you need. With LightningCAD, you get a custom solution tailored to your business with the sophistication of CAD and the simplicity of CPQ. It's fast, low risk, and affordable. So how does it work? We partner together to integrate your business expertise into custom software built on top of the LightningCAD framework. Your ideal users can now design your products in 2D or 3D. LightningCAD will deliver whatever outputs you need, from parts lists, blueprints, shopping carts, and estimations to ready-to-print 3D files. And because LightningCAD operates in a browser, you bridge the gap between your potential clients and their perfect order. Now you can eliminate menial tasks performed by your engineers and estimators and speed up revisions. Sales teams can have faster and better feedback loops with customers, and you may even want to allow clients to customize products themselves. Putting control into the hands of your ideal users results in more orders, faster, and with more accuracy. Don't wait to innovate. Save time and drive value with LightningCAD.